What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Julius Malema has been exposed by Nonta as a hypocrite, and how he has been exposed, it's because Julius Malema's team, his lawyers that are representing him in court, they are all white, isn't like their race, they're white, they are not black people, and the co-accused beside him is a white man. So this is Nota coming in here to say Julius Malema, is a hypocrite, and Floyd Shivambu has a right, to say whatever that he wants to say, because how can you be supporting someone seated behind him, and there you have Julius Malema next to him, the co-accused is a white man, the defense team is a white man, but there's nothing wrong with all of that. The problem that is there is that is the message that Julius Malema sends at the EFF rallies when he is speaking, about white people. He always speaks against them. But then here he is being represented by white people. Here he is with a white bodyguard. What does that mean? It means that Julius Malema does not live like what he tells others. You hear people say, do as I say, but not as I do. So what Julius Malema says is not what he does. So the big question, that is there is that, so if he doesn't do what he says, then who should be doing that? The EFF supporters who support him. That's what it means here. But anyway, this is the exposure. The Julius Malema, being exposed. Obviously, he has a right, to pick whoever he wants for the defense team and the bodyguard. But it doesn't make sense, based on the message that he speaks. If it was someone like Ramaphosa having the white bodyguard, we would understand, because Ramaphosa never speaks against the whites. But for Julius Malema, it's kind of funny. It's like, it's ionic, the word irony. It's really ionic, And the surprising part is that there is no media company that has questioned Julius Malema on this discrepancy, that is not making sense. I'll catch you guys on the next one.